Bard versus ChatGPT versus Bing. Which is better? Number 1. Bard, Google's AI. Good response, but a bit bossy one, and also it took an image from another website, which is not good. I will give it a 6 out of 10. It needs minor improvement, but it also has many extra features like modify response, double check response, and many more. Number 2. ChatGPT version 3.5. OpenAI's AI. ChatGPT is chosen by the whole world, and I also use it for personal and channel uses. I will give it a 9 out of 10. It is very, very good and also uses motivational words in its responses. Provide people with information, and it is also 1 year old. Number 3. Bing, Microsoft's AI. It is also good, but it takes text from different websites, which is not unique. So, I will give it a 7 out of 10. It is good and also has some extra features like downloading responses, and it also has a friendly user interface, etc. And the winner is ChatGPT. Also, comment your opinion in the comments. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to FEHM Technology.